These are my most anticipated 2026 book releases. The Caretaker by Marcus Cliver. You guys will just have to wait for my review of We Used to Live Here to understand why I am obsessed with Marcus Cliver's universe and why The Caretaker is at the top of my anticipated book releases of 2026. Victorious by V.E. Schwab. I loved Vicious and I loved Vengeful, and I cannot wait for this third installment. The Ending Writes Itself by Evelyn Clark. Evelyn Clark is actually a combination of authors, which is Kat Clark and V.E. Schwab, and they're both writing a thriller, Land by Maggie O'Farrell. The only thing I know about this book is that it is historical fiction, it is set in Ireland, and it is written by Maggie O'Farrell, who's writing I Adore. Dreamland by Olivia Blake. At this point, I'm going to read whatever Olivia Blake writes because I absolutely love her stream of consciousness, extremely witty writing. I still need to read Girl Dinner as well, and after that, I'll get to Dreamland when it releases. Half His Age by Jeanette McCurdy. This book, I think, is going to be deeply unsettling. It's going to make me feel very uncomfortable because it deals with a 17-year-old girl being infatuated by a much older man, but it's also going to be very witty and very funny. Six of Crows Book 3 or Book 2.5, I don't know what it is. It's some sort of novella that is set in the Six of Crows universe that Leigh Bardugo is releasing, and I'm going to eat it up. The Seventh Swar by Natasha Sharma. This sounds like a Robert Langdon-esque mystery thriller set in Bombay, and I'm here for it. Speaking of Indian fiction that I want to read, I also want to read The Complex by Karan Mahajan. I want to read Black River by Nilanjana S. Roy. I know that this isn't going to be released in 2026, but Saif Ali Khan said that he might make a movie out of it, so I want to read it. And another book I want to read is Real Life by Amrita Mahale, which was also released last year, but I want to get to it this year. Coming back to 2026 releases, The Astral Library by Kate Quinn. This book talks about a library in which the books literally allow you to step into them. And the blurb basically talks about how the characters go through Jane Austen's world, Sherlock Holmes's world, and The Great Gatsby. Heartstopper Volume 6. I still haven't read Heartstopper Volume 5, so once I read 5, I will get to 6. Mad Mabel by Sally Hepworth. This talks about an 81-year-old serial killer or crime lord? I don't know, but old ladies committing crime is just really fun to read about. Agnes Aubert's Mystical Cat Shelter by Heather Fawcett. This sounds like the perfect cozy fantasy. Heather Fawcett has written the Emily Wilde series that I absolutely love, and I cannot wait to read another cozy fantasy about a magic shop, a cat shelter, and an extremely attractive dark lord.